Today we are going to be going over designing a kitchen for an entry-level remodel. What's going on? This is Austin Gillamay, and we are at our new 5-minute flip project. Today we are going to be going over designing a kitchen for an entry-level remodel. Now, I was called by a local investor a couple of months ago to basically help design this property and get it to the finish line. So we just got done passing all of our mechanical rough-in inspections, and I'm just gonna do second measurements for all the cabinets to make sure that once we order them, they're all gonna fit properly and that we're not gonna have any mishaps or have to return any or exchange any, because that's just gonna kill time. So first, I'm gonna measure here the wall from the hallway to the back wall. We're at 115. Then we're gonna measure from the back wall to the door. So we got 10 foot by just under 10 foot. Next, we're going to subtract the refrigerator and we're going to subtract the stove. Now we have a little bit of play here for the stove, depending on what type of cabinet we're going to put in between the two. You know, it's gonna be probably a pretty small cabinet, but we're gonna do what we can to maximize the space in this kitchen. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is plan out the kitchen island. These cabinets are about 2 foot deep. So we're gonna take 2 feet, and then we want there to be about 30 inches in hall, like room at least. So we'll just say 36 inches. So we're gonna do 36 inches for like walkway space in between the kitchen. And you know what I'm actually gonna do? I'm gonna do it from the fridge, because the fridge is deeper than the cabinet. So the fridge is gonna come out about 36 inches. So I'm gonna do 36. I'm actually gonna put this kitchen island probably right around 6-7 inches here. We're gonna do 67 inches out, and then we are gonna go to our end here from 67 to 10 foot, which is 120. So that gives us a 43-inch island. It's probably gonna be more like 42-inch island. So we'll see what we can do with 42-inch island. All right, so we've gone over the kitchen cabinet design. I wanna show you a couple features of the home that you know, have been done during the rough-in phase. We've got it wired for can lights here in the kitchen and in the living room. I think it's a total of 10 can lights. We've got we actually opened, this was originally a garage. And so we basically extended some of the bedroom space into what was the old living room and borrowed the room that was in the old garage to give us our living space. And then here is like a, you know, traditional laundry mudroom with a full bath. And then on this side of the home, we've got our 3 bedrooms and our hall bath. Now, we actually relocated the return, the HVAC return. It was originally in the living room. We moved it here at the end of the hallway. I think that's gonna look a lot cleaner. We've got everything has been redone in this house. We've got all new electrical, all new plumbing, and all new HVAC. This one was really done down to the studs, and we're gonna hope that it pays off. Stay tuned to see this project to its completion, and subscribe, follow along for what all we've got going on here at 5-Minute Flip.